This is the secondhand Overland rescue vehicle. It's a 1980 Ford Econoline E-350. .460 4-barrel carburetor in my fire video. Took the air conditioning pump off. The system wasn't working anyway, so it leaked out. Installed the hydraulic pump on it. Still got to get the plumbing into it, but the belting is on. Need to do something with the brakes still. Had some cruddy looking master cylinder. I doubt the vacuum booster is much good after that either, as it's had its day in the sun for sure. It's got the tranny cooler option that it came with, C6 transmission. Had to take the chrome off the window. It's starting to come away from the dash, but there's a little bit of rust in the corner there. But I have to clean that up. Yeah, it's rusty, but that's what happens in Canada. Custom mufflers. One day maybe we make it a diesel. No gas tank yet. Right now it's a baby, it gets bottle fed. Bush guard for the front. Hydraulic tilt deck. Still gotta plumb the hydraulics. Winch. This is an old Koenig winch. I believe they used them in the 1950 Willys military Jeeps. Well, it's supposed to do a 5-ton or something. I'm not exactly sure about that. Floor chunk, basically, to try and fix that up. Gotta get rid of all this nice special blue panels. Gotta love those. Roof. It's got a little bit of sunroof going on over there. That's the passenger side, so it's not so bad over here. Flaming 460. That's about all I can say about that. Another deck on a deck. It's a double decker. Dual wheels. I think it's Dana 70, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Dana 70. Deck needed to be extended in order to get full width. Got to be able to carry my truck, seeing as it's the rescue vehicle. Other dual exhaust. Still got to close in the back of the cab with some tin. This big square piece of steel is going to be the hydraulic reservoir. And a hydraulic drive motor for it. Actually got a lot of welding to finish. If you're interested in welding at all, there's going to be more welding on my channel. Yeah, only barely started fabricating. I haven't even cleaned the frame. Might not need to. It might just last that way. Last 40 years the way it was already. Tires are a little special right now. So, yeah, this is the secondhand Overland rescue vehicle, and it needs a crap ton of work. Carburetor flat. 460.